long time ago, humans and monkeys lived together in the town of Ile-Ife. Annually, when the humans celebrated the Egungun festival, monkeys were not invited. They deemed it a celebration only for humans. The monkeys could only watch from afar with envy and sadness as the humans danced and sang in celebration. This continued for years until the monkeys grew tired of being left out of the celebrations simply because they were not humans. At this point, they gathered together for a meeting in order to find a permanent solution. They decided to send one of them to Olodumare, the god. A monkey called Edun was chosen. Edun then went on a journey to see Olodumare on the monkey's behalf. On getting to Olodumare's palace on the mountain, Edun explained his reason for coming, saying, "Your Majesty, I have come with a request from my fellow monkeys. We want to join in the Egungun festival with the humans. We want to look like them. Please change our looks, Olodumare." In response, Olodumare directed Edun to inform the monkeys that they should all gather up on the mountain in 7 days. "You must all do so before the sun rises on the 7th day," he added a stern warning. Olodumare added that he would prepare a special palm oil which the monkeys would be required to rub their whole bodies with and thus become transformed to humans. Edun was overjoyed. When Edun returned home, he shared the news from Olodumare with his fellow monkeys. They were all excited, jumping and dancing in celebration. On the morning of the 6th day, the monkeys filed out joyfully in a row to the mountain as directed by Olodumare. They had with them musical instruments, drinks, and food. They even wooed the humans they came across on their way to the mountain, saying, "We will soon become like you. You will not be able to deny us the joy and excitement of the Egungun festival." Overjoyed at the hope of becoming humans, the monkeys celebrated all the way up the mountain. There was a lot of drinking, eating, singing, and dancing as they went.
How dènìyàn lè ní? Dènìyàn. 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 Ọ̀bọ á dènìyàn lè ní? Dènìyàn. Ọ̀kín á dènìyàn lè ní? Dènìyàn. How dènìyàn lè ní? Dènìyàn. Ẹkùn á dènìyàn lè ní? Dènìyàn. How dènìyàn lè ní? Dènìyàn.
At night, the monkeys, having had too much from their celebration, were all too tired to continue on the journey. They decided to rest for a little while, or so they thought. By the time they woke up, it was past noon on the 7th day, and the sun was already up. Alas, the monkeys realized their foolishness. Meanwhile, the pot of oil on the mountain was already drying fast under the sunshine. By the time the monkeys got to the mountain, there was very little oil left in the pot to go round. Nevertheless, the monkeys scraped what was left, rubbing it on their faces, hands, and feet. In the end, Only their faces, hands and feet were transformed. Olodumare then appeared to the monkeys saying, "You should always obey good instructions. You should never be jealous of others." Lastly, Olodumare decided that the monkeys would remain like that due to their disobedience. That is why monkeys look like humans to date.